In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform an email design in Figma. We'll take a proven template, make it your own, keep everything neatly organized, and finish with export ready. HTML. This approach saves time, keeps layouts consistent, and helps you focus on brand and message rather than starting from a blank canvas. Begin in the Figma community. In the search bar, type email template and explore options with clear sections like headers, content blocks, and footers. Look for templates that mention responsiveness or include desktop and mobile variations. Preview a few, check the comments or descriptions for compatibility notes, and duplicate the one that best matches your structure. Open it in your workspace so you can edit without affecting the original. Now import and customize. Work on a duplicated page or file and use Figma's intuitive tools to drag, drop, and resize components. Tweak the header with your logo area, refine the hero section, organize content blocks, and adjust the footer with links and legal text. Keep spacing consistent by aligning to the template's grid or rulers. For emails, a common content width is around 600 pixels. Staying near that helps readability across clients. Group related elements and name layers clearly so your layout is easy to navigate and maintain. Align the design with your brand. Update color styles and text styles first, so changes apply consistently throughout. Swap in your fonts or select web. Save alternatives and define fallbacks for reliability in email clients. Replace placeholder images with on-brand visuals and optimize their dimensions to avoid heavy file sizes. Ensure sufficient color contrast for accessibility. Keep button styles consistent with your brand's shape and corner radius and maintain a clear visual hierarchy from headline to call to action. Use auto layout to keep everything responsive and tidy. Select a frame. Add auto layout. And set direction, spacing, and padding. Use hug contents for text groups and fill container for flexible elements when appropriate. This makes sections expand or contract gracefully as you edit copy. Consistent auto layout settings across sections, maintain even spacing, and make updates fast and predictable. When you are ready, export as HTML using a plugin like Emailify or Anima. Open the plugin, map your sections to email components, and enable inline CSS for maximum client compatibility. Keep your main content width consistent. Export optimized assets and preview within the plugin to confirm spacing and typography look correct. Save your files and you're production ready. HTML is good to go. Thanks for watching.